Hey girl, hello in pink, looking like a banana. Just took on my braids. My hair was kind of damp last night and it was not gonna curl right because I didn't put no curl stuff in my hair. Oops. Okay, today is Friday and I've been home since Monday since I got my wisdom teeth pulled. Thankfully the process hasn't been too bad. I just been scared of like dry socket. And even then I'm just like, does this look correct? as far as the healing. But yeah. It's been a minute since I filmed. So I told myself, you can only buy yourself a new camera if you actually stay consistent. Because this camera's kind of funky too. I think that's part of the reason why I get frustrated. I end up seeing battery exhausted, which I don't understand. So yeah. What are we doing today? Well, first I need to change because that. 2, I need to eat breakfast because I've been pretty much starving myself. I've been having just gravy. I feel like my voice sounds weird. I've been just having gravy, mashed potatoes. Can't even think right now. Oh, the Panera Super. That's about to be my breakfast again, and like Gatorade, yogurt. Well, no. Actually, what I'm gonna have today to switch it up is a protein shake and a banana. And then yeah, I gotta wash my mouth really good and then head out to go pick up my daughter. She's been at her grandma's for like the past few days as well. Well, whole weekend now that I think about it. What we're having today, having protein, milk, and my bananas. Really good. These are the smallest bananas that I fucking pick up because it wasn't my favorite. My breakfast. I was saying today is day 5 technically, so I should be able to eat obviously foods that are not soft liquid anymore, but I still have to be careful and like use a syringe to get any food that may get stuck in the holes. But I'm like still paranoid about it not healing properly, so here I am just trying to get the process eating protein and like probiotic stuff, yogurts, and whatnot. I'm contemplating, over here contemplating if, trying to find better lighting, I should do my makeup or not, because I kind of feel like just having my skin look natural. Who knows? And yeah, my voice. That's the most awkward way to open a banana. Yeah. Gonna eat and then I'm probably, actually I think I'm gonna get a little ready. It's a nice day outside, but it feels weird. Like I walked outside right now because I haven't been outside in days. Well, yesterday I went out for a little bit to pick up some groceries, but it's just like a fresher breath air. I need fresh air instead of being here. Oh. This was thick. That's kind of frozen. It was not nasty. Approved. I literally have been locked in here. This other thing too, I feel like it's just suffocating a little bit. And I wasn't initially gonna take off this many days, but I was like, you know what, I have sick pay, and I was like, I never relax. It's been a long couple weeks of work actually, really busy, so I was like, screw it, you need to take it. So yeah, I took additional 2 more days and it's perfectly fine, but it just feels a little strange to go outside and then try to get back into my routine. I'm trying not to think about work. That's the other thing. I'm like, oh, going back into work on Monday, I just know it's gonna be chaotic as far as like catching up on stuff and knowing what's going on, but it's okay. I worry about that until Monday, not anytime soon. Enjoy my last couple days, so yeah. What else? I just need to get back into filming, taking care of myself, and not being hard on myself. That's the main thing. I'm like, I'm always like want to be a perfectionist and do this and that, and it just, I feel like that's what stops me from doing anything at all in general, or like being consistent. So something I've been thinking about last day or so. Yeah, just rambling. I really contemplate if I should put makeup on because sometimes I just like my bare face. I like the dewiness, even though I don't have the perfect skin tone. Skin. Yeah. Did my makeup. I don't even have the correct shade, so I had to blend it. And I'm hoping it's not too noticeable, although I feel like you can kind of tell if you stare long enough. So, anyways, just closing all my blinds and whatnot and getting ready to head out. Already packed up my stuff, so cool. Super bright. Oh, wait. Alright, so yeah. Time to head out. She said, let me get up, I guess. Hi, mamas. You banged her grandma. I know. She said I was napping. I'm starving. Delicious. What is going on? She looks scared. This is the second time I just got home. Little Lana, I gotta show you too. Actually, you got a toy from the party. You should. Look up here. Okay, so she likes her toy. She got another one too. But these things first. I had to change and shit. Kinda still hungry. Girl, I gotta mute, but I gotta make your food though. Essentially, same thing. And another thing that came in a little earlier than I expected. And she likes this thing. I was like, let me rush home, make sure what happens to it. I'm not expecting it. Oh. And I ordered all of this because some things were just not available for person, and I was like, I can wait, I can be patient. First things first, I was trying to recolor match my foundation because the one I have is one or two of them that I would just mix. One of them was too dark, and one of them was like not the right undertone. So. But I like this one, which is the one I'm wearing actually. The Maybelline New York Lumi Matte Foundation. This one's a 128, so I'm hoping it fits me better. Next, I got this Hydrating Gel Moisturizer with electrolytes. Yeah, she said. But I was gonna use this as like primer underneath my makeup, see if that helps. There's that, and then the rest of this bag here appears to just be kind of my, these are my usuals. This is just rose water. Focus. Just Heritage. I'm like really low on that. It's lasted me a while though, because it's such a big bottle. Then my usual shampoo and conditioner. Rizzo's. Love these. These are the biotin ones. I was running low on that. And then I love this thing. I bought it multiple times already. It's just a hydrating milky mist. I gotta go put these all in my bathroom. Which I'm still trying to figure out how to store my items because I have like no storage in there. Which is annoying because I don't like having clutter everywhere. Anyways, I love this. And I throw this thing on daily, the makeup. Lastly is, I'm gonna mispronounce this, Naturum, whatever the hell. This is just a body wash, the multi-glow one. What else did I get? I needed a bronzer. Just got this. What do they call this liquid one? It's not liquid. What do they call these? I don't know, but it's not powder either. It's cream. so slow some days. I got a brow gel. This is a styling gel, and then I bought this one, the Make It Brown eyebrow gel. This is eyebrow gel too. Oops. And then this was the Essence one. I think I have another one, but it wasn't dark enough. It's like a lighter brown. My eyebrows are pretty much black, my hair too. And then I got wispy lashes because sometimes I just feel bald. You know what I mean? And your girl puts on mascara and it don't do much of a difference. Like 99% of the time. So yeah, these when I want to get ready. And lastly, I bought the little mini one. Morphe Mini Bacon Set just to try it out and see if I like it. Because I feel like I need a new setting powder. And setting powders are really expensive. Especially the high-end ones are like 40 bucks. I'm like, what if I don't like it? I know I could return it, but I'd be too lazy to do that. So anyways, I bought a little mini one to test it out. This one should be translucent. At least, yeah. So that's my mini haul. I just see Lana home. The zoom is so slow. Anyways, homegirl's already on the couch. She's making herself cozy since she's been gone. But I need to go ahead and shower her first because I can feel the difference in her coat. She's like mainly an outdoor dog. I was saying, because I think it cut off, I need to give her a shower because her coat feels dirty. And then in a little bit, because it's 6 p.m., then we'll take her out for her WALK. For the rest of the night, what we want to do? I don't know. Actually, we should scrapbook. It'll be fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this stuff away and give Lana a shower. You want a shower? She ain't tilting her head when I say that. Where's your toy? Go find your toy. It's over there. She's a cutie pie. She's a cutie pie. Definitely a showery good girl. Stanky. Stanky. Is my camera in my cabinet? Yes. At a better angle? Yes. I don't want to do this right now because I want to relax. But I'd rather enjoy my weekend, so I'm going to cook Lana's food. So there's that. Let's check her out too. So, should be fairly easy, but I pretty much just cook her, what is this, turkey, beef, ground turkey. Cook her ground turkey with some veggies, and then I mix it in sometimes with canned food. Right, girl? Because I gotta keep you healthy to live another 50 years. Hi, my mamash. So, it shouldn't take me long. It's just that I have to really blend it. Not blend it, but smush it together well so it's like more than canned food. So, yeah.
Honestly, it just started off as like a little weekend.
I just finished making Lana's food and I'm just waiting for it to cool down. But I pretty much, which little Ziploc bag is probably for like 2 days. It should last about a week and a half or whatnot because I mix it with canned food. But I'm exhausted and it's already what? Can't tell here. 8:51. I need to eat dinner and I totally went blank. I need to eat something and then I just want to relax. Oh, I need to set up my projector. That's what I was trying to show you. My shelving because I don't have nails. It's like on the couch. But I think I'm going to put that on and chillax for the rest of the night. So yeah. Tired. That was a long day. Not really, but kind of. I have to adjust this thing a lot, but it is what it is. Alright, good night, y'all.